In this tutorial, we will be creating disintegration effects by utilizing MoGraph module. To get started, you simply have to make the desired geometry a child of Voronoi fracture and increase its number of points up to the desired value. Disable its Colorize Fragments option in order to manually define arbitrary colors by utilizing the Plane Effector. Navigate to Fall Off tab and apply the linear field with its color mode set to gradient. Open it up and change its colors to your liking. Navigate to Coordinates tab and animate its position values. It is possible to expose these colors in a desired channel of material by applying the MoGraph color shader. Now we have to turn this object into a dynamic geometry by assigning the rigid body tag. Create the floor object and copy the same tag to it. C4D will automatically convert its type to collider body. Select the newly created rigid body tag and set its trigger type to velocity peak in order to trigger its initial velocity by slightly rotating individual pieces. It is possible to completely eliminate all pieces at the end of the simulation by decreasing the scale value down to -1. Finally, we are able to apply the MoGraph cache tag and bake the simulation.